Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class, how are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Today we are going to learn about my dream job in lesson 2. Let's open your book. Okay, we are going to learn about my dream job, continuing our lesson last week. But before that, do you still remember what we have learned last week? That's right. We have learned about what is your dream when you are grow up. What do you want to be when you are grow up? That's right. Last week, you have asked one of your friends what is her or his dream job when he or she grows up. Now we are going to continue, but before that, these are our learning goals. You are expected to know some jobs and workplaces, express what they want to be later, and know when can use a or an in front of nouns. Don't worry, class, we are going to learn together. I hope and I believe you can do it. Let's go. Okay, last week we have learned at this page number 15. We have practiced this dialogue together and you have asked one of your friends. Let's go to the next page number 16. There is a B section, listen and repeat. As usual, please listen to me first and you have to repeat it later. Let's go. Let's try the first dream job. He is a firefighter. Firefighter. Good. The next one is, she is a teacher. Teacher. Okay, good. Let's go to the next dream job. He is a mechanic. Mechanic. Good job. Let's go to the next dream job. She is a nurse. Nurse. Okay, excellent. Let's go. He is an astronaut. Astronaut. Welcome. That's good. The next one is, he is a doctor. Doctor. Okay, good job. Give applause for us. Okay, we have 6 dream jobs here. Do you know what is firefighter in Bahasa? That's right, pemadam kebakaran. Okay, wonderful. The next one is teacher. Do you know what is teacher in Bahasa? That's right, guru. How about mechanic? Okay, that's right. Mechanic is mekanik, teman-teman. Orang yang membetulkan atau ahli dalam mesin. Selanjutnya, nurse. Oke, nurse adalah suster ya, teman-teman, atau perawat. Betul sekali. And the next one is astronaut. Pak, teman-teman pasti sudah tahu ya. I think all of you has known that astronaut is astronaut, orang yang bisa pergi ke luar angkasa. Selanjutnya, doctor. Betul sekali. Dokter, teman-teman. Mari kita lanjut ke halaman selanjutnya. Let's go to the next page number 17. Don't forget to listen and repeat after me. The next one is, he is a police officer. Police officer. Good. The next one, he is a chef. Chef. Good job. He is a dentist. Dentist. Good job. And then the last dream job here. He is an actor. Actor. Okay, in this page, do you know what is police officer? Betul sekali. Itu adalah polisi, teman-teman ya. Police officer. What about the next one? Chef. Do you know what is chef in bahasa? Betul sekali, koki, teman-teman, atau juru masak. Selanjutnya, dentist. Di sini pekerjaannya mirip seperti dokter. Sama-sama dokter ya, teman-teman, sama-sama dokter, doctor. Bedanya kalau dentist ini adalah dokter gigi, teman-teman, spesialis gigi. Oke, selanjutnya actor. Ada yang tahu apa itu actor? Betul sekali, aktor, teman-teman. Hebat, excellent. Oke, sampai di sini ada pertanyaan? Any question? Okay, if you have any question, you can write the comment below, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. Let's go to the next page, page number 18. Oh, in section C, there is grammar corner atau pojok grammar nih, teman-teman. Wah, kita diingatkan ya, say bismillah before we start learning. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the grammar corner here is about articles. Apa itu article, Miss? What is articles, or what are articles? We can see this articles or a and an or an. Let's see. Articles a and an are used to show things which are not specific. Article A is used with words beginning with a consonant or vowels having consonant sound. So we use A in front of nouns that have consonant sound. What's the meaning? Let's take a look at the example. A girl. We have a or a because there is a word girl. The first letter is G. It doesn't have consonant sound. Nah, kita menggunakan di sini karena kata yang ada setelah di sini adalah girl. Gadis, perempuan, teman-teman. Menggunakan huruf G ya, di huruf pertamanya ya. G ini tidak mempunyai suara vowel, teman-teman. A, I, U, E, O. Jadi kita gunakan E. Nah, lalu selanjutnya tadi a hat, a house, and a university. Nah, kita lihat di sini ya. Di sini mungkin terlihatnya ada huruf U. There is U letter here. Why? We do not add N. Ada yang tahu kenapa, teman-teman? Nah, karena University ini kita membacanya menggunakan Y, teman-teman. University. University. Ada bunyi Y ya yang kita baca. Sehingga kita gunakan bukan N. Begitu, teman-teman. Kita lanjut ke artikel selanjutnya ya. Article N is used with words beginning with a vowel or words with silent H. Wah, seperti apa itu ya? Coba kita lihat. There are some examples here. Let's take a look. An actor. Okay, there is a teacher here. She said that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. In bahasa, we usually say A, I, U, E, O. Ya, teman-teman. Sama di bahasa Inggris juga begitu. Nah, sekarang coba kita lanjutkan lagi. An umbrella. An elephant. Yang terakhir ada an hour. Mungkin di sini terlihat yang di contoh terakhir, teman-teman, untuk an hour ada huruf H. There is H letter here. Menggunakan H ya, teman-teman. Nah, hour atau artinya ini jam ya, 1 jam kalau diartikan ini. An hour, 1 jam. Hour kita baca sama-sama menggunakan vowels, teman-teman. Hour. Maka dari itu kita pergunakan an. Jadi dan an ini penggunaannya sesuai dengan bagaimana cara kita membaca kata itu, bukan huruf yang ada pada kata tersebut. Kalau ada pertanyaan, jangan sungkan-sungkan untuk tanyakan di kolom komentar ataupun tanyakan langsung melalui WA pada Miss ya. Okay, let's go to the next page. Oh, let's practice section D. In this page, we are going to write the correct article. There are 10 exercises. Let's go. Let's do it together from number 1 until number 2. Blah, 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 pencil. We have to fill the blank here. Blah, 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 pencil. Let's go. What should we do? What should we write? A or N? That's right. We should write A pencil. How about the number 2? A ear or an ear? That's right. We should write an ear. Okay, that's right. At the rest, from number 3 until number 10, you have to write it by yourself on your book. Just do the practice. I believe you can do it. Keep your spirit, guys. Okay, class, let's go to the next section. It's section E. Let's practice. Oh, in this section, we have to circle. We have to circle the correct article. Don't forget to say Bismillah before you start in every what you do. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I see a or an elephant. Do you still remember? Elephant. Because elephant is the sound or one of the vowel sounds we had to circle. That's right. And an elephant. That's how we do the section E. Okay, you can do the rest from number 2 until number 10 by yourself. Let's go to the next page. Okay, we are going to see the next page. This one is on the page 20. In this page, there is section F. Read the text. Start your reading. Wait, Bismillah. Okay. Oh, there is a text here. The title is Mr. Farhan is a firefighter. Do you have a same dream job like Mr. Farhan? Firefighter? Okay, let's see. Mr. Farhan is a firefighter. He fights the fire and helps people who are trapped in fire. He is a hero. He is a brave man. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter too. I want to become a hero and help others from fire. Okay, good job, class. Don't forget to read the text by yourself. Okay, so after reading the text, we got some questions. There are 5 questions here. What is Mr. Farhan's job? Do you know what is his job? That's right. Mr. Farhan's job is firefighter. Let's write it down together. Mr. Farhan's job is a firefighter. Okay, you can do the rest from number 2 until number 5. Okay, let's go. Let's continue our lesson. I will clear the drawings. Okay. The next one is section G. And the page number 21. Look and learn. Wow, as I said before, this is one of our learning goals today. It's about workplaces, tempat kita bekerja nanti teman-teman, atau tempat-tempat untuk bekerja nih. Saat teman-teman nanti sudah waktunya untuk bekerja dan mencapai cita-cita teman-teman. Amin. The first one is hospital. The next one is fire station, police station, school, and the last, post office. Okay, there's a question here. Do you know who works in these places? Wow, do you know? How about the first one? Hospital. Who works in the hospital? That's right. Who works in the hospital are doctor, nurse, and etc. Good job. How about the other places? You can write it down or mention it. Good job. Let's go to the next page. This is the H section. Let's practice. Oh, we are asked to match the person with the places. Let's write it down using a line. The first one. Let's see. Oh, he's a firefighter. If he's a firefighter, where should his workplace? Di mana seharusnya tempat dia bekerja, teman-teman? Apakah di rumah sakit, hospital, police office, post office, school, and then this is restaurant, or this one. It's a fire station. Okay, this is the firefighter's office. Okay, we should connect the line between the job and the workplace. Okay, please do the rest from number 2 until number 6. Okay, let's go to the next page. Wow, in this page, page number 23, we have some practice here. Some exercise from number 1 until number 10. Oh, we have to write a dream job, some jobs based on the situation and the description. Let's do the first number together. This person who in charge in the school. This person is a blah, blah, blah. We have to fill the blank, use a job, one of jobs here. Actor, baker, tailor, until shopkeeper. How about the number 1? What should we write in the blank space? This person who in charge in the school. Who works in the school? Dentist, farmer, teacher, headmaster, mechanic, shopkeeper. Oh, we get 2%. 2%. Headmaster and teacher. Wow. But we have to choose one of them. Person in charge. Orang yang bertanggung jawab, teman-teman. Atau orang yang mempunyai kedudukan di sekolah, teman-teman. Yang paling tinggi siapakah itu? That's right, headmaster. Headmaster, do you know what is headmaster in bahasa? That's right, kepala sekolah, teman-teman. So, we write headmaster. The person is headmaster because the teacher teach the students in a school. We can write teacher in the answer at number 8. This person is a teacher. Okay. That's all, class. You can do the rest by yourself. Please write it down on your book. Okay, I will clear the drawings. Oh, we have finished all the materials and lesson 2, my dream job. Any question? Don't forget, if you have any question, you can ask me through WhatsApp or you can write down your comment below the video. Okay, let's conclude what we have learned today. That's right, we have learned about dream jobs and that's right, and the workplaces. But we have once more that we have learned today. What's that? Do you still remember? That's right. The use of a and an in front of nouns. Wow, excellent. Good job. Thank you. We have learned all of our lesson 2 today. See you next week. I'm sorry if I had so many mistakes today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.